Today's problem to fix is the trunk lift. Signs of a failed trunk lift: a trunk that's hard to open, one that won't stay open, and one that you can't open at all. As you can see, I have the one that won't stay open. This is something that has to be replaced. You cannot repair this. So let's go. This is an easy one. Let's do this. To prop the trunk open, I'm going to use this broom handle because I am tired of this thing hitting my head. From just looking at these things, you know the time has come. Here's all the stuff that I needed for this project. Of course, the star are the trunk lift supports. When doing your research for trunk lifts, be sure they're compatible with your car. So here we are, the old and the new. I don't have to tell you which one, right? It's kind of obvious. So here I was checking to see that the length looks about right and also that the design looks similar. Also, make a note of the direction of the old lift. In this case, the black is on top and then the silver part is on the bottom. Using the awl, that's the tool with the point on it, I just slid the awl underneath the clip to try to force that clip out. If you're still having trouble removing that clip, use your other tools, like the needle nose pliers. You're not going to keep any of this stuff, so force away. Sorry for all the bad angles, but that's what you get when you're trying to do two things at once. So right here, the clip is lifted up. I could have just pulled it out, but no, I had to remove the whole damn thing. You don't have to do all this. Just pull it out when you can. Just like that. Here's another shot of me doing the other side. Just get that clip up enough so that you can just pull it out. Now for the bottom, get your tool, the awl, screwdriver, needle nose pliers, and force that clip up so that you can pull the old lift out. Okay, so the old one is trash and here's the new one, but remember the black part was on the top and then the silver part on the bottom. So flip it. I began with the bottom part first. I lined it up and then pushed it in. Yeah, I really need to move this rock out of the way. I didn't get a good shot on this side, but I'll show you on the other side. I'm making sure that the caps are screwed on. Then I go to the bottom, line it up, push it in. Go to the top, line it up, You can unscrew it a little so that it fits your car, just a little. Line it up, push it in. And there you go. No broom handle necessary. So the new ones are installed on both sides. Let's take a closer look. Looking good, so let's give it a test. I'm closing the trunk, but not all the way. I'm checking to see if I feel the pressure of the trunk lift, and I do. See, I told you it was going to be an easy one, and it was.